Menteri Rangba Kejela Konrad ke Sangma Hakashitari Yayong Ulasami ke Khusna Meghalaya IT Awards 2026 Syaki Art Spotlight Ngut ki khynnah pule ki bawan shakhmat haka kelas 10 bat 12 jongka samoy pule arhajar arpusan haka jingalang ke belalong ha usoso tham auditorium Shillong. Haka di jingalang bala penlong da ketenat Information Technology and Communications ka Sorkar Meghalaya layadon langru Menteri ketenat pule puthi uba lakmen rembui. Shibenta jong kene ka program Menteri Rangba bat ki weipat ki he ki han ki lasam da ki laptop sya kini ki nong yok khusnam. Habakran haka jingalang ukonrad ula ai khuble ya kini ki khynnah pule da ka boong. Ka ei ka ba phila ban kenjok menta ka sngi ka dei ka ba ki weipat ki khynnah pule ki angnut. Henry tang khndiat e ki balala ban poi sya kathong. Ula ong ba kini ka jingalang ka long ban ai jing itu bat ban yale kemen ya ka jing tray shitom ka jing ai tilot bat ka jing scam jing mut jong ki khynnah pule. Ula kubur ya ka jing tray shitom halor kini ka jing job ka jong ki bat ong barok kito ki miet ki ba phi du thia du dem ki jing len lade ka jing long barenti bat ka jing penlet jing mun barok shisnem ha ki jing pule kala ban long ka ba e ha ka tai ka por. Henry menta kini ka jing tray shitom ka jong phi kala se ya uso jong ka jing job. Na kaliang ka sorkar ngidap da ka jing snow sarong halor kini ka jing job jong phi. Haka bay day bat kini ki laptop balasam ula ong. Kini ki laptop kila ban pau ba ki day ki jing ai ki barit. Henry ka pen pau palat ya ka jing long jong ka tiar. Ka day ka dak jong ka jing itu ka jing penslur bat ka jing scam ka jong ni ha ka jing la ka jong phi. Ula banjur ba kani ka program ka long halor ka jing persyang ban ai ka jing itu bat ban le kemen halor ka jing job haba benrap ha ka jing shisha ngangej ba om day maphi ki ban thap khti yangi. Henry ngi day ban thap khti na ka benta jong phi. Haba penpau ya ka jing kela ha ka jing long jing man ha ka perthei. Ula ong ba ka perthei kala nang kelas 10 na mar ka jing job ha ka liang kasayan ba teknologi. Haba kedo halor ki jing job badang shen ula ong hne ka step ngalayo i ya ka khubor bayade bat ka jing sha wengkam jong ki babun ha ka IT sector. Kat ba kini ki jing long jing man ki wanra ka jing snokhya henry ki thawru ya ki lat ki lenti ki bathmai. Ula kedo ba man la ki jing kela ha ka teknologi ka wanra ya ka jing penthut. Henry ka pliru ya ki lat ki lenti ki bathmai na ka benta ban penwandur ya ka jing roy. Haba kedo nuksa ya ka IT Park ha Shillong ka bala kring ya ki company ki baterai ha ki benta ba per kum ha ka artificial intelligence bat ki benta ki badai bat ka jing sengkam. Ula ya thu syapang uwei u engineer na Shillong ubala penmi ya ka wei ka teknologi ha ka bayara ban penstet ya ki rukom trekam ha ki kam karkhana ka bala penduna bha ya ka por ka baju shim da ki snem ha ki por ki bala len. Ula benrap ba kum kini ki kam ki pen i kumno ki lat ha ka perthei ki dei ki bala ban yo wat na po la ka jong ka jela. Haba pen ken mau ya ka jing yai lenti ka jong u konrad ula ong ba hadien ba ula pendap ya ki jing pule kenthop ha po Wharton School jong ka University ka Pennsylvania u don ya ka jing angnut ban sedang ya ki kam la jong. Henry ula mat ki jing e na mar ka jing bombiang ka jing long jing man ha ki tai ki por. Ula ong ba kini ki jing syam jong u ki dei ki bala penwandur ha ki jing persyang jong ka sorkar bante ya ka jing long jing man ka bakhlan ka ba pendet jing mun ha ki jing sengkam sengjam la jong ka jing persyang ya ki ki bathmai bat ka jing te ya ki sap ki phong. Uba lakmen rembui ha ka jing kren ula banjur halor ka jing kong san jong ka jing nang jing start bat ka benta jong ka digital technology ban kentiu ya ka pule puthi ha ka leng ka jela. Ula penpau ya ka jing longkong san jong ka teknologi ha ka jing im jong ka ni ka jong ka ba menta da ka baong ha ka perthei menta ka rensan digital kam dei shu ka badang hab ban jien Henry kala dei ka benta jong ka rukom im. Langis ngau tenan ne em barong ngi dei ka benta jong ka. Ula kedo ba ka ni ka jing thungu ka pen i ya ka jing angnut jong ka sorkar ban bei tingka na ka benta kalawe jong ki khynnah bat ki samla pule ka ban penla ya ki ban no ya usnyang badon jingmut syaka imlang saklang.
I first of all would like to take this opportunity to congratulate each and every one of you. What you have achieved today is something that every student aspires to achieve. But very few are able to make it. We are here today to let you know that all the hard work that you put in through the years, all the sleepless nights you went through, all the sacrifices you made, the focus and the concentration with which you studied and went through all the materials and the different subjects. At that moment, it may have looked very difficult for you. But in this particular moment, I, as the Chief Minister of a state, our Education Minister, and the entire government wants to tell you that all those sacrifices you made was worth it. And that we are very proud of what you have achieved. And though this may be a small laptop, which some of you may really think, I really don't need a laptop today. But this is more than a laptop. I just wanted to, as I said, let you know that we are here to really appreciate and give a small pat on the back to tell you that we are all very proud of you. And that's really what the purpose of today's program is. It's not the value of the laptop, it's not the value of us standing here, but it's the value of all the hard work that you put in. So I remember a young friend had come and give a speech out here saying that please give a round of applause to the IT department. I think it should be the other way around. I think if I could request all our officials and the VIPs who are present, let us all stand up and give a round of applause to the students. Yeah, parents can get up, students can sit. Students don't need to stand. We are applauding you. Your parents are applauding you. The government is applauding you for what you have done. This is a very, very proud moment for all of you. You know, I was very clear when I completed my undergrad that I want to go back to my state and give back to my state. Because that's what my father told me. In fact, he told me that I was 17 when I left India and went to Philadelphia. And a very young boy at that time. And my father told me the only reason I will let you go is you will come back after you complete and you will not start working there. And that is what prompted me to come back to Meghalaya and start my own business, do what I could to contribute to our state. Today God has given me this amazing opportunity to serve all of you who are sitting out here and the entire state. And that's why we do our best to give back to our state. We do our best to contribute and to take our state forward. So I do want to leave you with that small thought of some patriotism and some commitment to the state also as you move along. Which you studied and went through all the materials and the different subjects. At that moment, it may have looked very difficult for you. But in this particular moment, I, as the Chief Minister of a state, our Education Minister, and the entire government wants to tell you that all those sacrifices you made was worth it. And that we are very proud of what you have achieved. And though this may be a small laptop, which some of you may really think, I really don't need a laptop today. But this is more than a laptop.
I'm the happiest man if anything is being done to recognize the hard work, the dedication of the student. Today is your day, the day which the government of Meghalaya, through the initiative of Honorable Chief Minister, that it being recognized here.
Immense pleasure to be a proud recipient of this prestigious award. I am truly grateful to the IT and Communication Department, Government of Meghalaya and the Honorable Chief Minister for this wonderful initiative that encourages young minds across the state to engage in healthy competition and strive for excellence in their fields of study. Yes, I understand that marks are just numbers and not to be the sole measure to determine a person's future. However, recognition like this reminds us that hard work, dedication and consistency do matter. And it feels incredibly rewarding to have those efforts acknowledged. When I topped the MBO's Class 10 board examinations, I was not aware of these award program. But when I was informed about it, I was extremely happy. My excitement truly knew no bounds. It was an unexpected yet deeply meaningful moment for me.